Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete data from a table in MySQL. So in order to delete something, you need to say here delete from and your table name, which is employee. Then we need to write a for condition where, let's say we want to delete this all. Sonia whose ID is 6. So we are going to mention the ID. So we'll say here employee underscore ID equal to 6. So how this will do is this will delete the data where the employee ID is 6, which is this one. So right now if we just run this, there you can see the data is deleted, and make sure that you do not give any space over here. Okay, and let's try to delete it by using the name. Let's say we want to delete job. So here you need to say employee underscore name equal to. So here we'll give double quotation and we have to delete John data. So we'll say here John. Then run this, and there you can see it is deleted. So this is how we can delete data in MySQL. I hope this was useful to you. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorial.